Good day, sir. This is my group, and my name is Mark William Sabunod, and this is my group names.
I am Calshara Gonzalez Reyes.
And GMAB Wenceslao.
And the first to perform is Miss Reyes. Then Miss Reyes, this is it's your turn now.
Thank you, Mr. Sabunot. So today I will be demonstrate the problem one. So first things
Ano ba nangyari?
I'll be showing my screen. So in this also identify the TikTok talk. The second one is test board is which is going to print the board to rest. So the third one is ito. So in this cell, we're going to assign the players or marker which represent the X and O. So try natin run this code. So ayun. So the okay. And the fifth one is copy paste ko muna. Ay, the fourth one and player. So try natin paran player input which also assigned the for player. So do you want to be try natin X. So enter. So ayun. So ay sandali. Ito. Okay, copy natin and paste natin dito. Paste. So ayun. In this cell, the players select a certain number that will mark player move. So sixth one is sandali. Copy and paste. Paste natin. So ayun. In this in this we'll print the which test if the dollar sign in this board. So here's the dollar sign and then the seven one. Copy and paste. In the statement of win check is the system or the game will identify mark the player is won the game. It is also assigned the movement of the player. Next, the eight. Ay, wait, sandali. Yes, true. Win check X as a statement after X is won the game. So the next one is import. Copy and paste. This the statement of import random is the first player will choose a marker or X and O to start the game. So the next ay, sandali. Not in run. So the statement of space check it will return the position and then default board. Ito naman ay yes. So in this cell, ito. So in this cell, in range in the player input more than 9 numbers, it will check if it's true. So it's more than 9 numbers, it will return false. But if the number is 1 to 9, it will return true. Run. So in this cell, it will or the player must input the correct number which is 1 to 9. So the last one is ay, dali. So run. So in this cell, after the game or the player is included to be a winner, the system or the game will ask if you are going to proceed or the play game again. So the last one is this one. Ito. Run. So in here, in this complete game console, so we are going to demonstrate the gameplay. So if we will this we will run have an error. So, so do you want to be an X? So X enter. Are you ready to play? Yes. Choose your next position. For example, 6. O, makikita mo yung O nandito sa 6. So choose again 1. So yes. X. No. No. Oh, okay. So Miss Wenceslao to demonstrate the problem too. So wait, isa. Stop sharing. Come JS lang. Wala pa share screen. Pantula ka tat.
In my presentation,
Wala mic. Wala mic na eh.
in my presentation, I'm going to create a game, a guessing game that will guess the number in 3 turns. In four, in four, in four, random, three, six, six, is this number the parentheses equal number random in 1,100 attempt. Three, print print welcome to the first number game. Print I've chosen a number be, between between 1 and 100. You you have three you have three attempts to guess this fact. Write them from here while I and all the guess was his key input intelligence intelligence Napoleon Hill Can you guess secret secret number secret number print 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 congratulations 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 you 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 guess guess the number the number correctly. Break break and maybe guess guess secret secret number secret number print print high print higher higher S E S print lower lower employee attempts 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 1. And if attempts if attempts 0, greater than and print 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 um, you have you 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 have attempt attempts left that that format 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 then and if attempt print print sorry you 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 run out of attempt the number with the number was the format secret number and play again play 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 again play again input to you want to play again you want to play again yes or no yes play, F, F, play, play again, play again, that lower, lower, this is, yes, yes, and else, print, print, thanks, thanks for playing, playing, goodbye, playing, goodbye, and guess, guess, guess the number, and let's run. If choosing number between 1 to 100, you have 3 attempts to guess it. Um, two, five. To let's attempt. If you have to attempt, 65. And you have 1 attempt left. Do you want to play again? Yes or no? That's number 30. And that's all.
Excuse me, Miss Gia. We are told there's a statement that secret number rand int 1 to 100. What's that supposed to mean?
Statement of 1 to 100 is you only to guess or type the number between 1 to 100. It means you can't go higher number.
Okay, thank you, Miss Gia. That's it. So that's all, sir. And thank you. Have a good day, sir.